Good day to you wherever you are. You join us on a day where the weather just may have an impact on a football match that has been much anticipated. It's dry at the moment, but the forecast is that it will be wet, perhaps very wet by the time the game is... Well, that's surely a foul. Free kick. Longley, Jordi Alba.
There's a lot of movement going on, there's no shortage of options.
So I guess they're looking to play around their opponents as opposed to through them.
Yeah, the style is designed to dominate the ball, and so you dominate your opponents.
Chiesa going full tilt down the left. Messi. Griezmann. Played down the flank. Messi. And Messi! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. Quadrado conjuring up some magical... Quadrado has got himself a free kick. Quadrado. And it's Alexandro. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Juventus have a free kick. Alexandro. Rabiot. Griezmann with good energy in defence as well.
Well, they say that your front lads should be that first line of stopping the opposition, and I think he's taken it to another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
Chiesa. And here's Morata. There's the through ball. Now it's Messi. Hits one! And Szczęsny pulls off a sensational save!
I really don't think you could expect anything better from the goalkeeper then. We're near heroic territory.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo! It's there!
And grabbing that opening goal so close to half-time too affords them that extra little psychological edge. And once one of your main men that's doing the damage, it just grows the togetherness and it grows the spirit.
Ter Stegen reacted well to the initial effort, but couldn't get it right out of the danger area.
That's just great play, Peter. A textbook example for any wannabe footballers out there on positioning and movement.
Juventus, and that'll be the last act of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments. It ultimately produced just one goal. A really decent game up to now.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Juventus leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. So we're just settling back into this second half.
Well, it's been tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now and we get some free-flowing football.
Pjanic. Longley. Umtiti. Jordi Alba. Pjanic. And it's played forward.
Well, that's the first attempt, Peter, we've seen at one of those raking passes just to spread the play.
And it's Morata. Titi does well there, alert. Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, Peter, if they're attempting to see out the game with such a narrow advantage, there's room for trouble. I just think they're sending out the wrong... Going for goal! In it goes! A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control. And how about the timing of the pass and run? They've worked it before, and no doubt they'll work it again.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. Juventus have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Pjanic. Ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Titi positions himself well and cuts it out. Now it's Messi. Pinged one through here. Messi! Oh, he's managed to miss it.
Oh, they're definitely going about things the right way, Peter. A goal soon can bolster energy levels now.
He's made sure that that won't get through. Alexandre. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Griezmann. Morata. Right through the middle. Tried to play it through.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
There's a long ball. And time is up. Juventus always look the more driven side, probably the better side, and nobody is arguing about the result. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
Juventus can certainly give themselves a pat on the back for a job well done. They have a togetherness that makes them very hard to beat.
All that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening to one and all.